How to buy Bitcoin in Zengo wallet app. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to buy Bitcoin with a bank account on Zengo. So for that case, you have to first of all install the application. So open up your Play Store and on the search box type in Zengo. When you locate the following application, go ahead and press the install button and wait for the application to be installed. And create your account. As you create your account, then from the home page, go ahead and tap the buy button and then enter the exact amount that you wish to buy and select Bitcoin or select the asset. Next, you need to enter the verification code that is sent to your email and check the box to agree to the terms and condition. On the other field, you need to enter your billing address and choose a payment method and select the buy button. Confirm the transaction and you'll have successfully bought Bitcoin on a Zengo wallet app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.